20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm just waiting for Murray to go past.
Bruce?
Started 63. I want 63.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you had them off your leg.
We're getting them off your leg on Monday, only a week. Putting in those orders for, have you got enough orders yet for?
Scott's going to give me a list after the weekend, and then I'll probably do it.
6
I think Wayne might also be giving me some, but it'll be in the next week.
587.
Well, you're running out of tape.
Well, I haven't got any, so I'm using duct tape.
I get stuff from Bunnings.
I just use stuff from Bunnings. Yeah.
What is it?
I think this one's Bear Brand, but I use two. I use a Gorilla tape for the tape I don't want to take off, and I use a Bear Brand for the one I want to take off because it's easier to get off.
This text is stuff.
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Damn it!
What's that?
second sticker off it. You should see the colour difference.
Yes.
From doing the nationals. You can still see it, you're doing good. Are we counting this one?
Yeah. Of course you do.
It's not going to make much difference.
6-3.
Oh shit, I better record this.
Call it. Go, Chris, go, Chris.
330.
Got him.
189. Well done, Chris.
Thank you. That's going really well for light weather.
Smashing up that work.
Yeah, I just picked the right direction, I think.
It's the Nick Sherwood sales.
Yeah. Well, no, the boat is definitely going better since we put a